Hey guys, welcome back to another jack stand driveway video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the throttle position sensor in a Jeep 4-liter straight 6, more specifically the Jeep WJ 4-liter. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is take this sucker off. So let's go ahead and do that. So to take this thing off, you got to take that bolt off, which is a 10mm socket, and then you got to take that screw off right there, or a screw or a hose clamp thing. So for that hose clamp, you're going to need an 8mm socket. Next thing to do is, oh, stuck on the tripod. That right there is your throttle position sensor, and you got to somehow get it out of there with the T20 Torx bit. So let's see if I can't finagle that out of there.
And that's the culprit?
Yeah, so it goes this way on top. There's the old piece right here. I gotta go get the new one. Work. So I picked this one up. This is a Mopar genuine part, so it should already be calibrated. Let's put it in there and see what she does. And then clip it in. Take that out. Flip this back on. This is going to be the hardest part, I bet you. Putting this damn thing back on. You should have seen me try to take this off. It was stuck on there.
Well, it should be loosened up now. That's it.
Now I'm gonna let it charge a little bit, and then we'll start it up. See what happens. Well, let's test and make sure that it revs. Yeah, that revs way better than it used to. Something's making a little whirring noise in here, but oh man, nothing like a 4-liter. Okay, that's going to conclude this install video. I hope this helps some of you out there. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.